nigga dizzy boy lalela sure ngisakhumbula ngisesentwana esigele bangibita ngeslim angizange vele ngiyeke ngaqhubeka ngaphila ngaqala ngenda music then ngabona life ishintsha ngathola ifame nyana ke kwangena nemafeature lalela ke ngikutshele after that kwendekeni ngaluza tough guy inja yami ngangathembi ngaphuma nasesigele ke sengihlala emandiyeni ngathi ngende njani mara lithemba belingapheli marumame benethemba ukuthi intwana isazoshintsha nanoma bebehleba ngenandaba bengirelease I was working hard nasebusuku bengingalala nanoma ngiphefomile after gig bangabhadala nini ngiphusha span mara still angithola imali nini ngifuna ikar mara still ayiveli plan I'm dizzy demesana manje still ngisanekwala ngibona nginavalo so indaba ngikhule esibayi angeke vele ngihlale ke ngambala thando lwethu phela ngifisa ukwazi ukuthi le kuthando lwethu I remember ngena plan 14 February Valentine wagcine sekangishiya ke ngathola Valentine aphela ngana 2 days ke wangitshela ukuthi is over nanyalo still angithembi ke ngavele ngabasoba ngazama kumove on ngoba mina ke ngilisotsha bafatini ngabathembi bangashintsha babi cop asengiphume ku Valentine ngintshele nga peanut butter icherry cool grand ngenandaba nabafana when I lost myself angeke ngasho ke ngakhala she was like a fan when I rap ekagcwala saphinze sahlangana ke ngamthola la big power watsangeka khona yena kujola nemaphara ngavele ke ngahamba ngadelete nemanamba dizzy demesaya hamba kahle wena kuphara after that day angizange ngiphinze ngithemba icherry inzaba sengimsala kanothanga fucking play I came from the bottom but right now my nigga map sesiphuza nemagorons we don't need your fucking love I know they hate on me because one day I'm gonna pop these niggas talking shit behind my back they really suck please don't make me mad boy don't make me you my Glock I'm not just a rapper I'm that nigga with the crown ekase banomona man they wanna see me dead but look bazosokola man I'm gonna do them bad vuma nabo lova the Messiah ngenimele sure the Messiah ngenimele